guys, thanks for joining me for one more video. And today we're gonna do 3 different canvas, 4 by 12 inches each, and tape it to protect the back of the canvas. I tried different tapes, but this one is the works the best thanks to the videos that I watched before, and I finally got the right one. Today we're gonna make one white, one black, one half black, half white. Let's see. I've never done canvases that size before, but well, if it didn't work, we just try again. Yeah, I'm gonna put like a half black and half white on this one. Hopefully that doing well. Spread just a little bit, not much, because I need a lot of paint in the middle to flow the colors. But this canvas is thick, very thick. It's like almost 2 inches on the sides. But I can do that later. When you do something like that, just like use the spatula or different spatula for colors. But I'm doing the white one, and I'm gonna clean the spatula to start the black. Now let's start. I'm gonna put the blue, of course. I love this blue. Blue, magenta, not sure what I'm gonna do here. I don't know, because the size of the canvases, I'm kind of confused. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, yeah, that way. Looks weird, but it's fine. Purple. Always look good with the blue. Gold. Light blue. I have this, no, that's a white, but I have another color that I'm not sure if I'm gonna try. We'll see. I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah, it's like a dark brown cobra. The metallic. I think it looks good on with the gold and the gray. More gold. More gray. White base. around on the top of the white base, and make sure that you put the white on the top of white and black on the top of black, just to help the paint to flow better. Always have to put something around. It's getting chilly here in Florida these days. The temperature is down now. It's beautiful. Let's do it. Oh, I like that. But like I said, it's small canvas, never done before. I think the next time that I'm gonna paint canvas like that, I'm just gonna put a little bit of painting because there's too much for this canvas size. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, where's my colors? That's horrible. Oh, what I'm doing here. My colors are gone. No color. What a disappointed. I'm so disappointed. Look at that. All my colors are gone. I think they slide. Let's do that one, and I go back and fix it, that one, the middle one. Okay. Get a deep breath and start over the middle one. This one is getting better. It's getting better. The first one get details, cells and white. This one get like dark cells. I can't see right now. They are forming. I think it's gonna look really good, this one. But the middle one is horrible. Let's try again. We'll see. I'm gonna start over. Oh my God, all my colors are gone. So just like stretch the black and start over. Let's see. I'm gonna start for the white. A blue. Repeating all the colors. Repeating all the colors again. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna scrape and start over. But I'm very stubborn, so I have to see what's gonna happen before I scrape and start over. I can't believe I did that. Okay, now I'm gonna start. I drop a little bit of the black. That's okay. Now I'm gonna start from there. Okay, guys, it's getting better. I hate the other side. Let's see. A stretch. Put more black in there and cover the ugly part. Just blow with my mouth here, just give it like stretch a little. I think the blue it's very concentrate on that part. Yeah, that's blue a little bit. Pop the bubbles. I think it's better. It's way better than before. It's not the design that I was thinking before. It's totally different, but at least match a little bit. And if I put the white in the middle, I think it's going to be okay, and I think it's gonna look good. The white is amazing, and now I'm popping the bubbles with the torch, and always show up more cells and looks so good. The middle one, I think I fix it, and I still gonna stretch a little bit with the airbrush, I think, and to see how it's gonna, if I can get more details of this white part. We'll see. Spread a little bit the black to cover the white that was underneath, and shows a little bit more details of this white part. I'm gonna put a little bit more black in there, and I'm gonna stretch it with the airbrush. Oh yeah, then cover the sides. It's a lot of paint. There we go. Just a little white part showing a little bit more, because the first idea was like half white and half black. So see, when you keep trying, it's kind of get the effect that you was looking for before. At least I cleaned the mess that I made it before. Oh yeah. Ooh, lots of cells. Like it. And now I'm happy because it's getting there. Airbrush is always very handy because you can make something that we cannot make with the blow dry or with the mouth. So it's different effect, always looking good. I just use the airbrush for blow, not for painting. Never used before, so maybe I'll try later. Awesome. Now it's matching. It's the same colors but different design and match it really good. See the result? Oh my gosh, I love it. It's nothing that I was looking for, but came out really good. I'm very, very happy with those 3 painting. What do you like it? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. And which one is your favorite? If you guys like it, give me your like it and subscribe in my channel to see the next video. This is a picture of the next day, and I totally in love with that. Thanks for watching. Bye.